Yummy.
I love how he opened his mouth way back there and real slow.
It looks like something you would have done. You did that kind of stuff.
Mmm.
You want another bite?
It's so delicious.
Yay!
The cheer team.
Look at that. Only gets a little of it. Can't
Yeah.
take too much of that.
It's too cold. That is the cutest
I don't
thing
see you
ever.
draw back from the bottle like that.
Why does he keep laughing?
Because he's enjoying it.
Are you gonna play?
Cute.
Brady.
Brady.